Okay, so me and Ryan are headed to the Ratchet. From the title, you could tell 24 hours in Shreveport. I don't know how this is finna go. I just know it's about to be a lituation.
We're going down.
Period. And we will check back in with y'all. Maybe on the road, a little glimpse, but for sure when we get to the Ratchet. TTYL. Okay, so we have made it to the Ratchet, y'all. We are currently in Orlando's parking lot. We are waiting for a table because Orlando's is booming, baby. Booming. I don't know. Have you looked at the menu, Ryan? That's what we could be doing. I don't know. I always get the catfish campty or something like that. Something camp that camp. It'd be like fish and etouffee. I'm gonna get my mom some beef tips and rice with her cornbread on the side.
Please, on the side. Wrapped up.
Wrapped up, you're right. She's very specific. And then we're gonna see, he look like Trick Daddy. We're gonna see what
he do. He look a little smaller though.
Then we gonna see.
He thought he was doing something matching with the Crocs in the head too.
Oh wait. He got them bitches in sport mode.
He do.
Well, yeah, just a little check-in. I'll let y'all know when we going into Orlando's. I look crazy. Anywho, y'all, we went to Orlando's. We're leaving Orlando's. We was a quick in and out, a quick 1-2.
It was good though.
It was great. Look it up if you ever in the Ratchet, Orlando's, off Lakeshore, on South Lakeshore. Look it up. All right.
She still gon' laugh at me, still suck my dick, she mad at me. Let a nigga make me mad, you see, I'm not my
motherfucking shit. If shit go down, you gonna stay with that motherfucker. You ain't gonna switch up. That's your motherfucker for life.
Okay. Oh, this is just too much. I'm so ain't gonna vlog. Y'all fucking vlog. We live in Hayes. We had a whole motherfucking outfit change. But the point of the matter is,
We leave.
and we headed to our house. Hayes is a blur. Who are you putting your order in with, Nick? Nick, who are you putting your order in with?
Oh, it sounds like you was talking to Wi-Fi.
She at Wi-Fi? We were on level 2. Maybe, possibly. Level 2. That's my educated guess, Katie. I don't know what happened to my left arm. However, I am bleeding. However, who gives a fuck?
I know that's right. Period. I
What
was
she said?
I be turned up with my baby mamas.
I ain't got no fucking friends. It's level 2.
He's telling the truth. Nick, young boy dirt. Neither. You gotta pick one.
I don't even listen to neither one of them.
Wow.
Nick know he be listening to that Kentrail.
Oh God.
Okay, is this the level?
Make sure before you got the elevator.
Press the panic button. Yeah, stay on, KB. Press that panic. Press that panic. Press that panic. You have one job, KB. Keep the elevator open. Nick has another job.
Find the car.
Oh, boom, down there.
Oh, it is over there. I see it.
Princess was right.
Exactly. Duh. Just don't look back. Don't look back. It's not my fault the parking lot is ghetto and got cans in it. It's not my fault. Why the car down there now, nigga? What the fuck?
Why are we walking over down here? Nigga, what is that?
Nigga, you can't be fucking for real. That flashing light caught us slipping. Oh, okay, that's right. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't take another motherfucking step. Cause we is right here. I am a tiresome mess. Why are we locked out? You got some beef, Nick? Oh. Did I bring my slippers this time? I don't think I did. That was irresponsible.
Katie, I know I'm taller than you.
Cause he not that big.
It's like a normal custom.
You don't need that much stretch. On the vlog. So Derek made the vlog. I know I look like yesterday.
Oh, real like yesterday. Don't put me in it.
Y'all, it's been a time. We went to Hayes. I don't think y'all are gonna see any of that unless somebody caught a video, because I caught nothing. I am done.
The best moments are
We
never
are currently about to go into another broken egg. Still looking like yesterday, but it's okay. We just gotta eat. We getting on the road. Okay, 24 hours in the Ratchet. Yeah, we do gotta go to Dallas too. 24 hours in the Ratchet. This is what it look like.
Rick James with it. Rick James.
Only in 2 hours we'll really be here for 24 hours. That's crazy. So what is it? 22 hours in the Ratchet? It's the 22-hour mark. These eyelashes look just thrown up there. I had slip in them. Okay. Anyway, y'all, TTYL. Oh, my hair all crispy, crunchy.
You didn't put another broken egg.
Yeah, I gotta sell it.
Looks in the vlog.
Oh no, I ain't getting none of that. We are headed back to Houston. Oh, we are headed back to Houston from the Ratchet. We are almost there. I know I'm looking like we did it in Y, but shaking back. Okay, we had a time, and that's all that matters. We had a motherfucking time. Okay, the Ratchet don't owe us shit.